For this quick unboxing, I have the Clarks Desert Nomad in their curry leather. If you have been to my channel, you may know how much I love natural leather, which was why I purchased this pair of Clarks. I love how this leather has that natural grain texture. Having this in my hands, I do think the leather was coated, so it's more weather resistant. The construction of this pair of shoes is fairly simple. It's unlined, so you can see the underside of the leather inside the shoes. It comes with an extra pair of shoelaces, and the outsole is their typical pebble crepe material. Personally, I would prefer to have a different kind of outsole because we all know how this crepe outsole is going to get dirty fast and has a different look. It has beautiful hand stitching details and two metal fobs on each side to tie your shoelaces. Be aware that this color option comes with a leather insole, and some other colors seem to have a different kind of insole material. Also, I'm surprised to see the camel trackman logo on the heel. Based on the website pictures, it's not supposed to be there. However, when I enlarged the image from the website, I did see a little bit of logo imprint on the heel. It seems someone in the company was confused with this design. Regardless, with or without a logo, it doesn't matter to me. Do you know the significance of that logo? I wonder why they put it there. Putting on the shoes with my medium thickness socks, they felt very comfortable even though they were unlined. The stitches or the leather edges inside didn't bother my feet. However, the leather fold where I tie the shoelaces presses against my feet if I tie them too tight. I imagine I wouldn't feel it much once the leather softened. In terms of sizing, I normally wear size 8.5 and my European shoe size is 41. For this pair, I purchased size 8 and they felt comfortable. So I would not suggest you to size up because the sizing of this pair is on the bigger side. So far, I'm happy with this purchase. The leather is soft and they are comfortable. I love the casual look of this Clarks Desert Nomad. Thanks for joining me today and please subscribe. I'll talk to you again soon. Bye.